Welcome to Waterfall Seasons of Australia. I'm Brad Neal and this is Shiprock Falls in the Kurthkiln National Park, east of Melbourne. From the car park it's only a short walk to the falls along this track. First you'll encounter the giant shiprock, marooned in the forest. Now that is looking shipshape. This rock is so big it even has its own cave, Shiprock Cave. Let's go do some spelunking. As you can see, it's not very long, but could be perfect for first-time cavers. This is the viewing platform for the falls, from which the view is partly obscured. To get a closer look, walk down the narrow, partly eroded track beside the viewing platform, but do so at your own risk. There are basic picnic facilities at the Shiprock Falls car park, but for a better picnic spot head 5 minutes south by car to the Kurthkiln picnic ground, where there are more tables and more open space, a separate campground with numbered campsites, and loads of opportunities to reinvent history despite what the information boards might tell you. If you like this underground, underwater, oven-baked waterfall video, then like it, share it, or leave me a comment and subscribe to this channel for more.